Today, I have the key to this beautiful Ferrari 488 Spider in the mountains of Las Vegas, Nevada. This is a 660 horsepower screaming twin turbo V8. And today I'm gonna be taking you guys on a POV drive throughout these beautiful roads. So without further ado, let's get in this car and start it up. This car is ridiculously low to the ground, but it's not too difficult to get in. We're gonna keep the car in race mode, but let's get this thing started. Listen to this thing rev. GT3 RS, oh my gosh. It's about time we get on the road though. Oh my gosh, there's so many rocks hitting the car right now. Drop this thing down, 4th gear, 3rd gear, 2nd. Oh my goodness. The brakes are so good on this car. Carbon ceramics, ready? Downshift. Woo! It's rear wheel drive, 660 horsepower, but I don't even feel the tires spinning at all. The traction control is really good. I'll slow down here in a second, ready? Wow. Oh my goodness. Nothing beats a convertible Ferrari through the mountains of Las Vegas. These roads are so empty and so nice. We've got a cop up here with his lights on. Let me put this car into 4th gear and roll by him quietly. The car lets off little burbles when you let off the gas. Like, ready? 2nd gear. There you go, little pops. That's what I was talking about. We're in 2nd gear at 50 miles an hour. This car has 7 gears and has a top speed of 205 miles an hour. That is insane. Let me drop it down to 1st gear in a sec, ready? Wow, oh my gosh. It goes to the limiter so fast. In 5th gear and this car still sounds good. You got a downshift though. Oh my gosh. Did you hear those burbles? That has not done that before. That was insane. The car is burbling way more. It must do that when you're in race mode. Let's get another 1st gear pull. On that pull, you can feel the tires spin as I got closer to full throttle, but this traction control has got me covered, and oh my gosh, look at those mountains. Barely any mountains around us now. We're in nothing but open desert. The steering wheel on this car is so stiff, especially when you're in race mode. They do not want any mistakes happening, and this thing just glues to the road as we're going around these windy turns. It is so nice. Gosh, those downshifts. Oh my gosh. We are now here at the gas station to fill this thing up all the way. Let's see how much gas costs in a 488 Spider. All right, let's fill this thing up. Of course, we have to get 91 premium gas. Let's put this thing right in there. All right, here we go. Well, everybody, the grand total was $49.32 for 9 gallons of gas. This car was only on half, so it would be $100 to fill up a Ferrari 488, at least here in Las Vegas. Hold on. I hate how it gives you the same beep for the hood as it gives you if you don't have your seatbelt on.
That's not good.
Downshifts are just so crisp in this car. They are perfect. I've driven a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ, which is a single clutch transmission, and it feels much different compared to this car. The shifts are way slower. Again, it's a different sound. It's way different of a car. It's hard to compare the two because they are so different, but wow. Gosh, that downshift was one of the best. This carbon fiber steering wheel feels so nice as well. The Lamborghini did not have that, and I really like that. Also, it has lights on the steering wheel. I don't know if you can tell. When I get up to higher gear, like ready, watch this, the lights will flicker up the higher in RPM I get. Ready? Boom, boom, boom. So cool to see. It helps you know exactly when you're reaching 8,000 RPM, which is the red line in this car, which is ridiculous. The view is just fantastic. I hope you guys can see that as well. Nothing but mountains and cactuses and pretty much just sand and rock. It is an epic view. Now kind of gone back into town, but the roads are still so nice. There's no basically cracks in the road in Vegas. There's not much snow here, so they don't have that problem. There's no potholes, nothing like that. Still, look at the mountain there in the background. That is so epic driving on these roads. Fun fact about the Ferrari, when you're sitting in park, if you want to put the car into neutral, there's no button here in the center column, so you actually press both the paddles backwards and you're in neutral, and then of course, one paddle to get back into drive and first gear. I almost feel like the car is louder now that I'm in town. The engine is like reverbing off of the walls and the buildings and the houses. It's crazy. Yeah, this thing definitely sounds way louder in town. Oh my goodness. A R35 GTR. Well, just like that, we are ending the drive in the Ferrari 488 Spider here at In-N-Out. This car was so much fun, especially given the fact that it is a convertible. I am in love with new Ferraris now. This was such a fun experience. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more car videos like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on any future videos.